Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our lesson, we will begin with reciting surah. The first one will be Surah Al-Fatihah, Surah Taha ayat 1 hingga 5, Surah Al-Insyirah, Surah Al-Kafirun, and then Surah Al-Ikhlas by 3 times. After that, followed by selawat ke atas Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Kita niatkan selawat kita ni untuk memenuhi perintah Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. Kita niatkan selawat kita ni untuk memenuhi hak Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Kita niatkan selawat kita ni untuk mendapat syafaat Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam di akhirat kelak. Dan kita niatkan segala bacaan surah dan selawat kita ni untuk kedua orang tua, keluarga dan seluruh umat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Kemudian doa sebelum belajar, semoga dengan usaha ini akan membantu pelajar agar mudah memahami dan dibukakan hati para pelajar untuk mencintai ilmu. Okay?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم طه ما أنزلنا عليك القرآن لتشقى إلا تذكرة لمن يخشى تنزيلا ممن خلق الأرض والسماوات العلى الرحمن على العرش استوى. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد 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 محمد اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل 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 محمد
Doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Ya Allah, bukakanlah ke atas kami hikmat-hikmat-Mu dan limpahilah ke atas kami khazanah rahmat-Mu, wahai yang maha pemurah lagi maha penyayang.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ya Rabbku, lapangkanlah untukku dadaku dan mudahkanlah untukku urusanku, dan lepaskanlah kekakuan dari lidahku, supaya mereka mengerti perkataanku.
Amin.
Amin, amin, amin. Ya Rabbal Alamin. In this session, we will discuss about order of operation. So, can you please get ready with your notes, page 15, and your worksheet, page 13 until 14. If you're done with the notes, you can start doing your worksheet. Okay? Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to first explain and use the order of operations, including brackets. And the second one, students should be able to carry out more calculations involving the four operations. The four operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Steps to success. S to S. Can you please copy this down in your notes? And the first one, know the rules of order of operation. That is really important. The second one, capable to evaluate order of operation without calculator. And the last one, practice using calculator in evaluating order of operation. Okay, it is common for us to hear about order of operations, but what is actually order of operation? Okay, so operation here means the involvement of addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. And what is actually order? Order of operation. And this order of operation is actually a set of rules that is to be followed in a particular sequence while solving an expression. So here, order of operation means the rules which operation that we're going to solve first. Okay, it's the addition, subtraction, multiplications, or the division. Okay, now make it clear today. If you still confused, order of operation is actually a set of rules that you need to follow in order for you to solve an expression. Okay, here will be the rules to solve the order of operation. Number one, do everything inside bracket first. Bracket, we also call it parenthesis. Second, then do exponent power. If the expression have power, so you need to solve that exponent. Okay, like x squared, x cubed, 5 squared, 4 to the power of 5, things like that. Alright, so you need to solve that exponent. The third one, then do multiples and divides from left to right. Whatever come first, okay? Whatever come first, and remember from left to right, okay? You look at the expression from left to right. And the last one, then do the adds and subtracts from left to right, whatever come first. If minus come first from the left, so do the minus first. If plus come first from the left, so you do the plus. Okay, so these are the rules to solve order of operation. Really important, so make sure you know the rules. Okay, now let us start with this example one. This example one, you need to evaluate the expression without using calculator. We have two questions here, part A and part B, and I put the rules here for you to check or to memorize the steps. Okay, the first one, bracket. The second one, exponent. The third one, multiples and divides from left to right. And the last one, adds and subtract from left to right. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to solve this expression. Expression means this one. Okay, the group of value here, we call it expression. Okay, the group of values here, we call it expression. And in algebra, the group of value and variable, that what we call as expression. Okay, I give you 2 minutes to try these questions. One minute left. Okay, now let's start with part A. For part A, we don't have bracket, we don't have exponents, so we can skip both of these rules. So we start with 3. Now we have multiplication here, we have division here. So remember, from left to right. In other words, whichever comes first. So we solve this multiplication first. And just follow the other value you just need to follow. Okay, just copy it down. 123 plus 180, we solved this one already, minus 564 divided by 12. So divisions, subtraction and addition. So we need to do the division first. The other value, just copy it down. So 123 plus 180 minus 47. And then remember, from left to right. So addition comes first. So you add first. 123 plus with 180 will give you 303 minus 47. And the answer will be 256. Do you get 256? If yes, well done. Alhamdulillah. Alright. Now, for part B, we have division, multiplication, plus, minus, and division again. Alright. So we solve this division first. Okay. Then we have 8. The other values, just copy it down. So 8 times 19 plus 723 minus 88 divided by 4. And then we solve between multiplications or division. Remember, from left to right. So we solve this multiplication first. And then you will get 152. The rest of the values, just copy it down. And we have division here. Do the division next. Okay, so 152 plus 723 minus 22. And whatever comes first, from left to right, we do that one first. Alright, plus and minus. So plus come first, plus from the left. So we solve that addition first. So here we have 875 minus 22, and you will get 853. Alright, that is how you do the order of operation. Just be careful. Okay, be careful with the calculation. Next, we still with example 1, but here we're going to solve C and D, and I put the rules here for your reference. Okay, but you need to memorize the rules. Okay, you need to memorize the rules by now. Now I give you 2 minutes to try this one. You can use pencil if you are not confident, but at least you are trying. Okay, try and try. I give you 2 minutes to try. One minute left. Okay, now let us discuss part C. Here we have brackets, so you need to focus with the rule number 1. Do everything inside the bracket first. So 55 minus 23 will give you 32, right? So it will give you 32. And then we do the multiplication first. So the rest of the value, you just copy it down. You have 68 plus 224 plus 114 divided by 3. After that, do the division. So here you have 68 plus 224 plus 38. And then for this one, you can just add them all. Okay, just add them all. 68 plus 224 plus 38. Therefore, you have 292 plus 38, and the last one 330. Okay, and for D, we don't have bracket, we don't have exponents, so skip the rule number 1 and number 2. Focus with 3 and 4. So the division, you have 1960 plus 12 minus 26 times 5. So next will be the multiplication. 1960 plus 12 minus 130. And then do from left to right. So you do the addition first. 1960 plus 12 minus 130. So here 1972 minus 130, and your final answer will be 1842. Okay, if you got both of these answers, well done. That means you alert and you understand the rules. Moving on with example 2. Evaluate using a calculator. Okay, so here we have 3 questions, and in exam, even though the question asks you to use calculator, for example, if this order of operation come out in paper 2, so you can use calculator, right? So although you are using calculator, don't forget to write your workings. Okay, don't forget to write down your workings. Usually if we have complicated operation like this, it can be 2 or 3 marks. All right, so I repeat myself, although in exam you are asked to use calculator, but don't forget to still draw, to still write the workings. Okay, it is very important for you to show the workings. Okay, now, I will give you 2 minutes to try, and be careful, we have double brackets here for part B. Okay, so how are you going to solve this? 2 minutes from now. One minute left. Okay, now you can just simply use calculator for this. Okay, but here still I will show you the workings, and please copy down the workings in your notes, right? So here I have 153 times 44 minus 128, and then we do the multiplication first. You'll get 6,732 minus 123, you will get 6,609. And for part B, here we have double brackets. So you solve the one inside the big bracket first. Okay, in the big bracket we have small bracket here, so solve this one first. Right, then you have 56 divided by 7 plus 21 times 34, and do everything inside the bracket first. That was your first rule. Okay, that is your first rule. So you solve first everything in this bracket. Okay, and then 56 divided by 7, I got 8 plus 21 times 34. You solve that multiplication here, and you have 8 plus 714. Okay, then 1145 minus 722, that is how you got 423. Okay, if you got both of these answers, well done. Alright, Alhamdulillah. Moving on with this part C, the last questions in this session, and this will also our last slide. Okay, so evaluate by using calculator. 1116 divided by bracket 65 minus 34 times with 12. I give you 1 minute to try. Okay, now we solve the one in brackets. 65 minus 34, I got 31. So you solve the denominator here. Here we have 1116 divided by 372, and the final answer will be 3. Okay, remember what I said earlier, although the question allow you to use calculator, but still you need to write down your workings, okay? Your complete workings, right? Now, this will be the last part of our session. As usual, we will recite doa, and then don't forget to copy this down in your notes, and you can start doing your worksheet, okay? Thank you so much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Doa selepas belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni astaudi'uka ma 'allamtani fardudhu ilayya inda hajati ilaihi wala tansani ya rabbal alamin. Ya Allah, sesungguhnya aku menitipkan padamu ilmu-ilmu yang telah Engkau ajarkan kepadaku, dan kembalikanlah kepadaku sewaktu aku memerlukannya kembali. Dan janganlah Engkau lupakan aku kepada ilmu itu, wahai Tuhan yang memiliki semesta alam. Amin.